Hi Cancers, welcome to your zodiac reading. So this is going to be from July 1st to the 15th for you. So I will be looking at the present situation, and basis that I'll be looking at the outcome. So if the current situation resonates with you, whatever I pick up, then pretty much I feel the outcome will also resonate. So you can keep watching. Also, while watching this, please remember this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with you. So please take what resonates and leave the rest behind. I will be ending the reading with a couple of cards from the universe. So let's see. Let's see what's going on presently with you, Cancerians. What's going on, Cancerians? Six of Cups, Nine of Cups, and Knight of Wands. Wow, that's nice energy going on presently. I think you are missing someone and you're fantasizing about a particular situation. You are dreaming of it and you want to make that dream come true. That's the present energy that I pick up. You feel a very strong connection with this. This could be a career path, or this could be a soulmate in your life, a person who you really feel extremely connected to. Um, I'm seeing a certain sense of wishing for it, like with the Nine of Cups, you sitting and you really want this to happen for you because you really feel that this is something that you really want. Just give me a second. Yeah, so that's what I'm picking up, that you really think you want this and you want to make it happen. It's not like you don't want to put in any effort for this. You really want to put in the effort and you want to make it happen. Now, with that, I also see a certain sense of restlessness. I see a certain sense of impulsiveness, which can be a little not very good energy. All right, but let's see. Let me clarify each of these cards. Six of Cups, Page of Pentacles and Six of Swords, Nine of Cups, Two of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, Seven of Cups. Okay. Could be that you wanted to make this work out, you offered something, but this person refused. All right. This person maybe doesn't want to have any kind of a committed situation here. I feel that this is your dream, but you're not sure if this would be fulfilled or not. You want it, but you don't know whether the other person wants it equally. If this is career, then I feel that you are not sure that it will work out in your favor or not. However, you really feel a strong calling towards it. Okay. I'm seeing a certain sense of confusion attached to this situation. A lot of daydreaming, a lot of some fears, some good things, some bad things. So basically, a lot in the head right now about this situation. Okay, so if this resonated, let's see what can you expect from July 1st to the 15th. Temperance, King of Wands. Oh wow, Judgment. So Cancers, what I'm seeing here for you is some kind of realization happening, some peace setting in your life. You'll not exactly be feeling the way you're feeling right now. The restlessness will reduce because I'm seeing some angelic intervention with the Temperance, or maybe it's to do with timing. Sometimes there are certain periods, maybe the phases of the moon or planetary positions in your chart can really impact the way you are, okay, your physical and mental being. I'm seeing you still having the desire but not being restless to get it. However, you will get some clarity. The Judgment is here. Let me clarify these cards. Temperance, Four of Swords, as I said, King of Wands, King of Swords, okay, and the Judgment, Magician, okay. So I see you kind of, and then there is Justice in the bottom of the deck, so definitely to do with timing. So I see that yes, there is a certain sort of patience that will come in. So if you've been feeling very restless of late, that feeling will go. I see you becoming quite logical and passionate about this thing. However, I don't see too much of emotions here, so that's kind of good because initially I see presently you are a lot into your emotions related to this situation, but going forward, I see you being quite logical, and yes, the passion still prevails. With the Judgment and the Magician, I feel that you would be kind of getting the clarity that okay, I can control this situation. All right, you would know that I can take charge, I can do this. It's so with the Knight of Wands and the Seven of Cups, initially it was like I want it but I don't know how to do it, but now I think you would know how to do it. Okay, so your approach is going to be much more mature. Okay, impulsiveness will reduce, and I feel you will get the clarity that you're seeking all this while. So I also feel somewhere that there is a little bit of a pause required here. You can't be the way you are right now, because that can be a little bit of, I would say, it can harm you. Okay, because the right now, if you take certain decisions, it will not be very good for you. Okay, so maybe just slow down your pace a bit, I would say. And I think between July 1st and 15th, I see you becoming much better. Okay, next 4-5 days itself, you will see a change. All right, and by the time it's 14th, I feel you will be in a much more clearer headspace to decide on what do you want to do. All right, so that is what I'm seeing for you, Cancers. Now let's see what is the advice for you from the Oracle cards. Diana, focused intention. Think about what you desire. Set your sights high. Expect the best possible outcome. So, this is about having a clear vision, all right? Not being impulsive. That's one advice for you for the next 15 days, I feel, Cancers, that you shouldn't be impulsive, okay? Let's see. What else do we have from the Oracle cards? Education. Think before you act. Very important. This phase, you are not supposed to be reckless. You're supposed to think through things and then only act on them. Because I feel that there could be a tendency where you might be like, let me just do it, like right away. Then after doing it, you might regret it. And that's exactly what you're not supposed to do. All right. I'm seeing that you need to kind of cut down on that behavior of being reckless at times. All right. Okay, so that's what I have for you, Cancers. I hope this reading resonated with you. Private readings are open. You can reach out to me. You can also follow me on Instagram. I do daily 3-card readings over there, just in case if you're interested. I'll wait to hear from you guys. Take care. Bye.